Integrating an internal combustion engine with electric motors for optimal efficiency and seamless power delivery presents a fundamental engineering challenge in hybrid vehicle design. While electric vehicles offer direct motor drive, hybrids must intricately manage two disparate power sources, a complexity often masked by the seemingly simple operation of an electronic continuously variable transmission, or eCVT. This system, however, conceals a sophisticated core, the planetary gear set. At its essence, a planetary gear set comprises a central sun gear, multiple planet gears orbiting the sun and mounted on a carrier, and an outer ring gear that meshes with the planets. This elegant arrangement allows for multiple inputs and outputs, enabling power splitting, combining, and precise speed ratios. In eCVTs, this mechanical hardware orchestrates a delicate ballet between engine power, motor power, and electrical generation, all without the traditional friction belts or stepped gears. The eCVT mechanism fundamentally redefines the transmission concept. Instead of physically altering gear ratios, the planetary gear set acts as a power-splitting device, with electric motors and generators controlling the relative speeds of its components. By precisely regulating the speed of one element, typically the sun or ring gear through an attached electric machine, the output speed and torque from the carrier can be continuously varied, effectively simulating an infinite number of gear ratios. Toyota's hybrid synergy drive, a foundational eCVT design, exemplifies this principle with a single planetary gear set. In this architecture, the engine connects to the planetary carrier, the sun gear is linked to one motor generator unit often designated MG1, and the ring gear transmits power to the drive wheels and another motor generator, MG2. This configuration allows for the engine's power to be dynamically split. Within Toyota's system, the engine's mechanical output is divided into two paths. A portion directly drives the wheels through the ring gear, while the remainder drives MG1. MG1, acting as a generator, produces electricity that powers MG2 for propulsion or charges the high-voltage battery. By varying the electrical load on MG1, the eCVT system precisely controls the engine's operating point, ensuring it remains within its most efficient RPM range. A common misconception regarding eCVTs is the rubber band effect, where engine RPM seems disconnected from vehicle speed, particularly during acceleration. Critics often cite this as a lack of responsiveness or a poor driving experience. This phenomenon is a direct consequence of the engine's speed being actively managed for fuel efficiency, rather than being rigidly tied to wheel speed as in conventional geared transmissions. However, modern eCVT control strategies significantly mitigate this perception. Rather than allowing the engine to simply rev freely, sophisticated algorithms simulate discrete gear shifts or maintain specific engine RPMs during acceleration. Visualizations of engine RPM and vehicle speed data reveal that while continuous, the control system rapidly adjusts the engine to its optimal operating range omega-opt, then subtly ramps it to provide a more natural, linear acceleration feel. This careful manipulation of engine speed is not arbitrary. It is rooted in maximizing overall powertrain efficiency ETA powertrain. By decoupling engine speed from vehicle speed, the system can continuously place the internal combustion engine at its most fuel-efficient load and RPM combination, even when vehicle speed is fluctuating. This optimizes fuel consumption and reduces emissions more effectively than a fixed-ratio transmission. In contrast to Toyota's single planetary approach, other manufacturers have implemented eCVT systems with greater complexity to achieve different performance characteristics. General Motors' two-mode hybrid transmission, for instance, utilizes multiple planetary gear sets and clutches, offering a broader range of operational flexibility and fixed gear ratios. For specific driving conditions, GM's two-mode eCVT integrates two planetary gear sets and three clutches, allowing for 4 fixed gear ratios in addition to its continuously variable electric modes. The system employs 2 electric motor generators. This intricate design facilitates robust operation across a wider spectrum of vehicle speeds and loads, particularly beneficial for heavier vehicles or those requiring significant towing capacity. The operational versatility of GM's two-mode system is notable. It can function as a pure electric vehicle at low speeds, similar to a Toyota eCVT in an electrically variable transmission mode, and then transitions seamlessly into fixed gear operation at higher speeds or under heavy load. These fixed gears provide direct mechanical drive, enhancing efficiency in specific cruising scenarios and during demanding accelerations. Comparing the design rationales, Toyota's single planetary gear set emphasizes simplicity, reliability, and cost-effectiveness for mass-market hybrid applications, prioritizing fuel efficiency in varied driving conditions. GM's more elaborate two-mode system targets high-performance hybrid applications, offering enhanced torque delivery and towing capabilities, sacrificing some mechanical simplicity for operational breadth. These design choices directly translate into distinct performance characteristics. Toyota's eCVT delivers smooth, continuous power and excellent fuel economy, especially in urban driving. GM's two-mode system provides strong low-speed electric launch and the added assurance of fixed mechanical gears for heavy hauling or highway cruising, potentially offering a more conventional driving feel under specific high-load conditions. Despite their architectural differences, both hybrid eCVT implementations effectively address the core challenges of hybrid powertrains. They facilitate seamless transitions between electric and combustion power, enable regenerative braking for energy recovery, and consistently optimize the internal combustion engine's operating point. This contributes to reduced fuel consumption and lower emissions compared to conventional powertrains. The evolution of eCVT technology continues, driven by advancements in motor efficiency, battery energy density, and sophisticated control software. Future iterations are likely to integrate even more powerful electric machines and refine existing algorithms to further enhance both driving dynamics and energy management. These systems represent a critical component in the ongoing transition towards more sustainable transportation. Ultimately, the seemingly simple eCVT is a triumph of engineering. The humble planetary gear set, operating at the heart of these complex systems, secretly orchestrates the efficient interplay of engine and electric motors. This elegant solution remains key to unlocking the full potential of hybrid vehicle efficiency, often in ways unseen by the driver.